Hey guys, how are you? Happy Labor Day weekend. So this morning I'm back at it again. As you can see, I just finished an incredible workout this morning at F45 downtown Orlando. And I wanted to share how amazing this journey has been in really focusing on my physical fitness. So I have never been an athletic person. As a matter of fact, I hate it. I literally dislike it with every fiber of my being. That's 100% like honesty. And you would say, okay, Jackie, but you joined the military. Yes, I did, where physical fitness was a requirement. Anyway, long story short, in every physical fitness test that I had in the military, I failed. I failed miserably multiple times, to the point where I was threatened to be kicked out of the military if I didn't pass. Like literally, you're going to be sent home if you don't get your ass together. Get your life together, ma'am. So the one thing that has always been my driving force, whether I'm doing well or I'm not doing well, is discipline and determination. So even during all of those difficult times where it looked like I wasn't going to make it, what I would do is I would dig deep and I would go back. I didn't care how many times I failed. Like being embarrassed or having people say anything about me was not something that was important. I didn't let any of those things destroy my confidence. So how did that translate into real estate? Well, when I started in real estate, my first deal was an epic fail again. My first deal, I lost 120,000 real people's dollars, okay? U.S currency, pretty bad. As you can see, my F45ers are coming out now. You guys doing great? Say hey to Facebook. Lost $120,000 in real money. And you would say, okay, that would be a great reason for anybody to stop what they're doing and maybe find another occupation or do something different where it wasn't so painful. But that's not what happened for me. Again, discipline and determination. Slowed down, went back to the drawing board, figured out what I was missing, and what I was missing was skill. And I realized that that is the keys to success. Determination, discipline, in order to learn the skills that will equal your success through repetition, whether you are good at it in the beginning or not. And that's the reason why I started teaching. I started teaching how to invest in real estate because I realized that what people lack is not ambition. Most people want to be successful. What they're missing is accountability and someone to hold their hand and show them the correct skills. People sometimes have some skills, but it may not be the correct skill that needs to be applied to the task that's going to equal their greatest and highest success. So that's what I deliver lovingly and passionately to my students. And they love it. They have a lot of success with that because I'm teaching them the right skills to apply at the right time. My first auction in tax deeds, I bid, I believe it was 23 times in a row and lost each of those auctions 23 times before I got my first win as a bidder in a tax deed auction. And ever since that first win, after 23 times of failing, I win auctions. That fear of not getting the property, that fear of losing, that fear of, oh my gosh, I really wanted that one and somebody else got it, wah, poor me, all those egotistical things that we think about where everything should evolve around us. Like, okay, there's other humans in this world that have the same desires as you. You just got to try again. There's something available for you. As a matter of fact, there's more than enough available for all of us, right? So I don't believe in scarcity. I don't believe in living small. I definitely believe in living large and living greater, bigger than anything that you can imagine. And that also takes a lot of determination, discipline, and practice, because the world will have you shrink away from your greater good, believing that you're not good enough to have everything that you want. That is false. That is absolutely false. Well, anyway, this Labor Day weekend, I have an amazing opportunity for all that would like to take advantage of it, okay? So I have an incredible friends and family discount that I'm making available, and it's valid through the weekend, through today, through Labor Day, through the holiday, and it is FF, like F45, F as in Frank, 2021, all right? FF 2021. Well, what will this friends and family discount do for you? It will get your foot in the door and help you save $700 off of Tax Deed Genius, my 8 weeks online training program. And why is that so important? Why is Tax Deed Genius so important? Well, I'm teaching how to invest in tax liens. Not only am I teaching about tax liens, I'm also teaching about tax deeds themselves, how to actually acquire real property through the auctions. Very, 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 very amazing acquisition strategy for those who don't know it. But I'm also teaching how to acquire, recover surplus overages in all 50 states. So tax liens, tax deeds, and recovery surplus or overbid excess funds, depending on where you are on the planet. They call it different things in all 50 states across the United States. FF, that's Foxtrot for all my military family out there. Foxtrot, that's FF 2021, which is a 20% friends and family discount for Tax Deed Genius. And where can you find that information? Where can you access this code? At thejackyjackson.com, thejackyjackson.com. Someone actually just put it in the chat right there. Thank you so much, Natasha, for putting in the website. I appreciate you so much, sis. It is thejackyjackson.com. And you read all about me. You can read all about my story. You can read all about my epic fails. You can read all about my epic wins. And you can also read about the passion and the compassion that I have for all of my students and why they are so successful. You can read about all of my testimonials, as well as watch my video testimonials from students who have been extremely successful going through my program. So how do you even pick a coach? How do you pick a program? How do you know if somebody is for you? Well, one of the first things that I look for when making a decision is that person that I'm interested in working with, are they doing what they say that they're doing? Are they living the entire life that, hey, you too, see you later, great workout. Are they living the life that they speak of? Are they disciplined enough to go to the gym? They telling you that you need to work out and you need to get up and you need to sacrifice your time. Are they doing the same things as well? Are they giving back? Are they part of the community? Are they with you? Do they have the same desires, dreams, and aspirations? Do they want you to win more than you want you to win? That's how you determine and choose a coach. Does that make sense? Anyway, it's your girl, the Jackie Jackson, real estate expert, coach, and mentor, and the creator of Tax Deed Genius, 8 weeks online training program. And you can take advantage of the friends and family discount at FF 2021. And all you have to do is go to thejackyjackson.com, and you can benefit by putting in that code at checkout, and experiencing and enrolling in the course and begin your real estate investing journey. All right, with me, yours truly. All right, you guys, I gotta go take a shower because, yeah, pretty sweaty out here. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I will see y'all in the course. All right, take care. Bye.